Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today, as you can see, we're going to be starting this one that I got this morning from BiggestCraft. It is called Dusk After Rain, and we are going to be starting right up in here. The color I wanted to start with, the symbol and the color just kind of meshed, so you really couldn't see what I'm working on. So we'll be starting right into those blue trees, and the color is 517, and I'll hold that here. It's kind of a medium teal color. So yeah, and I have my little cat. So we are just like cooking with gas, I guess, right now, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So, how is everybody doing? I hope you're all having, whoops, a good day. If I could just get on the right symbol, we'd have it made. Yeah. So I am glad it is Wednesday. Yesterday was not bad at all. Just went right along, and the next thing I know, I was done for the evening. Came home and I had some fish for a change. Just needed a little bit of something. And a fresh salad. Alright, I am back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to take a phone call. So, we're back on schedule. So, yeah, I'm glad it's Wednesday, and I'm ready to have a few days off and not do too much of anything. Been kind of quiet around. Of course, I do notice that there has been a little bit more traffic, if you will, because like I said about the spring break, you know, in other videos. Ouch. I need my thimble. And, yeah, so I expect that to kind of pick it up a little bit next week. So we will just wait and see. So has anybody got any plans for this weekend? Is your weather nice enough to have plans, or are you going someplace where it's nice there? It's always nice to hear about other people going places and doing things and family outings and stuff. This is just weird. What is going? Oh, I guess I should have gone across. I'm like, why does that just end like that? That just too much. So I'm looking forward to stitching this weekend and not doing a whole heck of a lot. Because I think it's going to get kind of colder over our weekend, and we'll just have to wait and see. I think it'll be colder, but I don't know that we'll get any precipitation there at all. I'm going to pull you back out just a bit. Sometimes it gets a little close. So no grand plans on my daughter's, and gosh darn it. What is the problem, kids? No plans for us to go anywhere or walk around anywhere. You're killing me, Smalls. What are you doing? We're just having a heck of a time here. Okay, well, we'll just begin again. I don't know how that got a knot in it, but it did. Like I said, this is Egyptian cotton. Sometimes it curls, especially if I lay it down and have to go do something. Just go to here. Before I forget, I did have some viewers send me some pictures, so I will put those right in here. And thank you for sending them to me, everyone. They are beautiful, all of them. Some are finished, some are work in progresses. I appreciate it. I love seeing all your stuff. Great job. I had some finishes there. Everybody's finishing everything these days. That won't happen around here for a while. Oh my goodness. I had to crunch and crunch this material, so I don't know what its problem was. Just, I want to go back. That's the bottom of where that number was, so I don't want to forget that's what that is and then be hunting and searching for that symbol before I forget, because, you know, in 5 minutes I'll forget. But if anybody else has any projects that they're working on or finished, you can always send it to my email address and I'll get it into the next Stitch With Me, or Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. But great job, everybody. And thank you for sharing. We all like to see what everybody else is working on. What, you know, makes them happy, or their passion to stitch on. You know, it's all the Chinese stuff for me, so you got me figured out. But everybody else, I like to see what everybody else is working on. But like I said, I crunched and I crunched this material. It's not that it's sprung back, but I think it's really kind of thick, if you will. It's just heavily starched for some reason. And it probably would have been a lot easier to start up in that corner. I just didn't think the color was suited. So I hope you can see this beautiful blue color that I'm working with. And I have no idea what the flavor of the weekend is going to be. I haven't thoroughly decided. I don't know. Pork sounded kind of good, but I don't know. Now, let's see. What is Monday? Sunday I'll have to fix the, I think I'm going to try to do the corned beef. So I want something, but not a whole bunch of something, you know. It's going to last 3 or 4 days. I may make that corned beef and cabbage on Sunday so that it'll be left over, you know, for Monday and Tuesday or Wednesday. I still have to get the Russian rye, I think that's what it's called, and the rest of the stuff to go with the Reubens, so that I can have that Tuesday or Wednesday. I just love Reubens. But, you know, I lived in Chicago, so I know all about the delis. It's almost as good as New York, I've heard, so. Oh, I thought it was sticking up. That was so weird. It's a little dark when it gets to being clustered there, you know, a whole bunch of stitches of the same color. It starts to get darker. But we got it. Oh my god. And I'm using one of their needles. So I thought since it was there, I'd just use them. But it's doing okay. I've had better canvases. I mean, that stitch a lot easier than this. But not too bad. I just think it's just stiff. So maybe I'll work on this a little bit tonight when I get home. We'll just have to wait and see how tired I am. All right. We're getting there, guys. We are getting there. I was working on, oh, what was it? The lady in the stitching lady. Couldn't think what I wanted to say. Holy cow. Most days are like that. Sometimes it's just better off if I just sit and stitch and not try to talk. But as you can see, it's getting darker and darker. I'll bring you just a tad bit in. Beautiful color. And of course, I'm stitching on a blue circle. There's a green circle in that whole mess as well. I know what else I was stitching on. The antique peonies. And I was working on that red part still. And some of the leaves on the outside of it. I wanted to get, because that was that green, remember the green and the blue were right together, so I thought, well, if I eliminate the green, then we won't have a problem. Nope. It's a bit confusing. We're almost there, guys. Almost. So I did a little bit of that before I went to work yesterday. So I might try to get back on that. It is also Egyptian cotton. Get that needle anchored there, and then I can turn it around. Of course, I'm working sideways. Let me bring you down. Get that thimble off my hand so I can actually maneuver. But yeah, so just got that one little part done, and that blue symbol, I don't know if you can see it well enough, is in between those dark green lines. So it goes on for a little bit, and then a little bit over in this way, but we're just concentrating right in that area. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.